Hello friend, in this video I am going to show you how you can extract the sign from any image, really from any image using OpenCV only. So let's jump onto the Colab notebook. So we are going to use OpenCV, CV2 module and Matplotlib and NumPy. So first of all we have to import all of these packages and I have defined a one definition here. All the functionality I've included inside this definition actually. So I will go through every statement I have written in this definition. So let's start first statement. So minimum counter size means, so whatever your counter size is, so this functionality we are going to use later in this video. So our idea is so we have to find out the contour, right? First of all, we find out the contour in an image where the pixel value is changed rapidly. So that means here is a one contour we will found. Contour means the area where the pixel value will change. Okay, so that contour we will found using OpenCV function CV to find contours. After finding this contour, we will mask the contour actually. So suppose we have found this area, right? You can see in this image, right? So we will fill with some color actually, right? So that we want to extract very sharp bounding boxes that contain very large area of your sign, right? Then after masking the image, then we will apply this scanning as detection, and again we will apply find contour on mask image. So minimum counter size, if we found any contour which size is greater, then we will mask that contour only. Okay, so here this is a minimum contour size we have defined here is 10, and we are reading the image and converting it to BGR to gray for smoothing the image, right? So then we are applying three threshold here. So we are using Gaussian blur, adaptive threshold, and second we are applying Gaussian blur. Again we using adaptive threshold, and again we are using Gaussian blur, and then we are using only threshold. So this adaptive threshold will give you the very sharp the boundaries of your sign. Then we will apply again, we will sharp the image. Here we are smoothing the image actually, and then so sometime in adaptive threshold we got the very noise actually. If you want to remove the noise from dotted portion of your image, then we have to again apply this Gaussian blur using threshold only. Okay, then we will apply canny edge detection. So we have to find out the very sharp edges of your sign. Then we will pass into the fine contour actually here. So they will return the contour of your image. Then we will apply this functionality, draw filled bounding rectangles if the contour is large enough. So we have defined the threshold value here, right? And also when we mark the image, then we will again apply this find contour on mask image. Then we will plot this contour according to the sorted width. So here you can see in this image, we easily find out the contour area, right? So this is the portion. So in this way, we will detect easily our sign in image using this thresholding as detection, find contour, and using the masking technique here. So we mask, fill the contour, and again apply the find contour functionality. So then we can easily find out the very large bounding box that contain your sign. Hope guys you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you guys.